Hi, kindergarten families. Happy Friday to you. Today, I'm going to do something a little different for our introduction. I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoom using Clever because on Monday at 10 a.m., I am going to host our first ever class Zoom meeting. I know a lot of our kindergartners are starting to feel the slide of at-home learning. So I'm just looking for a way to really boost their spirits and help them see their friends. So hopefully they can feel a little more positive. So today what I want to do is teach you how to log in to Zoom through Clever. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our Clever site. So you can do this by typing in tinyurl.com/WCPS Clever. And you should get a site that looks like this. Now, you're going to enter your student's 5-digit username, their lunch number. So it'll be the 5 numbers that they use for their lunch. And then their password is WCPS Kid. Now, I already have a student logged in another screen, so I'm going to slide over there for a minute. So this is what it's going to look like once you log in. You'll see here's the art teachers page, but what you'll need to click on is SNS's page, the one with our class picture. Once you click on that, you'll see that there's a couple different links. You will click on the April 27th class Zoom meeting at 10 a.m. Monday. So I click. If it prompts you to run or open, just click open, or I know I've seen another laptop that says run, and then you can join with computer audio and you'll be good to go. It may ask you about a password. If it asks you for a password, just enter OCES. That's the password for our class. So I hope all of you all will join me on Monday for our first ever Zoom meeting. I know I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you have a great weekend. Good luck learning today.